What's up, guys? Welcome back. I'm here with another Korean Vivid Voltage booster pack. Let's see what kind of luck we get. Let's see if we get a common Charizard or a chunky Pikachu. Okay. This is the good card. Put it in the back. Or actually, no. Never mind. I got confused with the McDonald's ones. Never mind. Alright, you just go straight forward with these. So we got this crocodile looking thing. We got a water type Pokemon. We got a psychic energy Pokemon. And we got this Pokemon. And ooh, we got a Charizard! Woo! Sick!